When designs evolve, tracking every change becomes critical. Manufacturing needs right version, quality teams need complete traceability, and engineers must eliminate errors caused by outdated files. Without a structured revision process, mistakes becomes costly. But with 3D experience revision management, everyone works confidently on the correct and approved data.
Revision management inside 3D Experience SolidWorks ensures that every design update is completely controlled, documented, and visible for your entire team. It automatically manages revision numbering, maintains a full history of every change, and controls access using maturity states like in work, frozen, and released. Because everyone works on a single source of truth, collaboration becomes cleaner and mistakes like overwriting files and manufacturing the wrong version are eliminated. In short, it's your complete engineering governance seamlessly integrated right into your SolidWorks workflow. Working with revisions has never been this simple or this seamless. To begin, design your part or assembly in the SolidWorks just like you always do. Your familiar workflow stays completely unchanged. When you open the right side of 3D Experience task pane and all the necessary information about each component becomes instantly visible. You can see the component name, locked status, current revision, maturity state, description, and file details, all organized in a clean, easy to read panel. This gives you immediate clarity on the status of every part in your design. Now let's create an update. We'll add an additional coordinate system for reference and save the modification. As soon as the change is made, the 3D Experience platform recognizes it and you can save it directly to the platform. Each update can be stored as a version by enabling keep previous iteration and adding a comment describing what was changed. For more significant design modifications, you can create a new revision with a clear note explaining the purpose, keeping your entire change history searchable, structured, and easy to follow. If you ever need to return to an earlier state of the model, the platform makes it effortless. Simply choose Replace by Revision and you'll get all complete list of all revisions for that component. Select the one you need and model updates instantly. You can also review and adjust the maturity state of any part directly from the same 3D Experience pane, whether it's in work, for approval, released, or any other defined lifecycle state. Everything happens in one place, keeping your workflow smooth, controlled, and fully traceable from start to finish.
And that's revision management in 3D experience SolidWorks. Smart, controlled, error-proof, empowering your teams to innovate confidently with the right data at the right time.
Data control and accuracy. Every version stays recognized, validated, and fully traceable. Governance and security. Structured workflows and controlled access keep your process secure and compliant. Team alignment and collaboration. With a single source of truth, every stakeholder stays perfectly in sync. Effectivity and productivity. Automated revision handling reduces rework and accelerates your release cycles. Quality and traceability. A complete audit trail ensures accountability and consistently higher product quality. Integration and continuity. Seamless connection between SolidWorks and 3D Experience platform ensures uninterrupted data flow across the product lifecycle. This is engineering clarity powered by 3D Experience SolidWorks.